Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change clock on your iPhone's lock screen. So guys, if you want to change the clock on your iPhone's lock screen, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. So guys, first of all you have to simply go to your device's lock screen and then press and hold the lock screen from here, and from here go to customize, and from here you can see you can easily change the size of your iPhone's clock on your lock screen of your iPhone. So guys, you can see this, you can easily change it. Here you can see this, and you can also tap on this clock to change it completely. So guys, simply press and hold it, and from here you can see you can easily change the style of the clock, and you can also change the size and transparency of the clock as well. So guys, here you can see this, you can select the colors as well. You can easily change it on your iPhone's lock screen. So guys, here you can see this, you can easily change the clock on your iPhone's lock screen within seconds in this way. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.